Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guide, Wayne. Today I'll be going over how to unlock your iPhone 14 Pro so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app and make sure you're on the keypad setting, and you're going to type in *#06 and pound. That's going to show us our IMEI, and what you'll need to do is write down that number in the middle here. We're going to use that in the next step of the video. We're now going to go home, and we're going to swipe over and go to the Safari app and go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. Starting with the manufacturer, which clearly is Apple. Next, we're going to go to the model, which is going to be the 14 Pro. And then tap Unlock Now. On the next screen, you'll answer a few questions about where you purchased the phone. So swipe up here. It'll ask you the country, and it'll also ask you your current carrier. In this case, our carrier is going to be AT&T. Tap Next. Now on this screen here, it will ask you to enter the IMEI that we got in the first step of the video, so do that there. You're going to put in your full name here, an email address you'd like to receive a confirmation and delivery instructions to, and a contact number. Now before you hit order now, you're going to swipe up so you can see two things: the price, which is going to be normally $40, but it'll actually come down to about $25 with their discount, and the turnaround time for your delivery email. The way it works is they're going to send you an email with the current unlocking instructions. Keep in mind that the process to unlock phones does change from time to time. That is why I can't show you the final process, because it's always changing. So all you'll need to do is know that you'll receive an email within 48 hours. Usually closer to the first number, not the second, but it could be up to 48 hours to get the email, and it will have the final steps you'll need to follow to unlock the phone. After that, you're going to tap Order Now, check out, pay, and then that time period will start. Now I want to point out a couple of things about this website, just so you know. At the top of the website, you will see a toll-free number you can call to follow up on your order. There's also a number to text as well, 24 hours a day. And if we go back to the main page, you'll see they do offer a 100% money-back guarantee. So if for whatever reason something goes wrong in the process, or they're unable to unlock the phone, you will get a full refund. That's one of the positives that I love about this site, and it's why I recommend them. So definitely, if you need to get your phone unlocked, head on this website, check out to see how much it'll cost, and get your phone unlocked. Now lastly, one more thing you'll need to complete the process is a SIM card of the service you'd like to use the phone with, and the little SIM card tool, which comes in the phone, comes in the box of just about every phone that you buy. It looks like this. If you don't have one, grab a paper clip, bend it back, and you can use that to pop out the SIM card and put in your new SIM card. All right. Hope you guys found this helpful. If it was, hit that like button down below, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care, and as always, have a good one.